Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to get Telegram group link, and now let's dive right in. Now to get the Telegram group link, first open up your Telegram app, and before we proceed guys, make sure you're on the administrator level of that group on which you want to get the Telegram link. And after opening a Telegram guys, you can see the demo group I had created earlier over here. Now I'll be getting the Telegram group link of this group. Now to proceed from over here, you can see the group name at the top of the screen. Tap on that group name and it will be available for us like this. Now over here on this interface, you can see there's a three dotted icon and a pen icon available for us. We will be required to tap on the pen icon at the top right corner, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be required to scroll down a little bit, and you can see there it says the invite links just below the permissions. Tap on invite links, and over here you can see there is your group invite link available for us. Either you can create a new link from over here by going to this customization, or you can see guys there is simply a group link created for you over here. You can just copy it and you will have gotten your Telegram group link on your clipboard. Now paste it wherever you want and to whomever you want on Telegram. So for example, I'll be pasting the group link over here, and you can see guys the link to demo group has been opened, or when you tap on it, our demo group will open. And with that being said guys, this is how to get the Telegram group link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.